Hello guys, welcome back. So as we have already completed our first 3 challenges, let's take up our 4th challenge now, which is create an automation with flow. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on this object manager. So in quick find, I'm just going to search for opportunity. So once if you get the result, click on it, followed by fields and relationship, followed by new. So for this data type, we are just going to select checkbox, scroll down and click on next. Let's copy our field label now, so which is given right over here. Just copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, field name will be auto populated, and make sure for this default value we have selected unchecked, and now click on next. So guys, here in read only column header, I'm just going to select this header and scroll down and deselect it for standard user, followed by system administrator. So once if it is done, click on next, followed by save and new. So guys, here we are just going to select checkbox, which is given right over here. So once if it is done, scroll down and click on next, and now let's copy our field label, so which is given right over here. So once if it is done, let's go back and paste it right over here, and now click on next. And here we are just going to follow the same step which we have done for previous field. So I'm just going to select this read only header and scroll down, deselect it for standard user, followed by system admin, and click on next, and now click on save. So once if it is done, just click on this home. So in quick find, I'm just going to search for flow. So once if you get the result, click on it, and now we are just going to create a record trigger flow. For that, click on new flow. So here I'm just going to choose this record trigger flow, followed by create. So guys, here in this object, I'm just going to choose opportunity. So for configure trigger, we are going to select a record is created or updated. So for this condition requirements, choose this first condition, which is and. So once if it is done, just scroll down and let's enter our condition over here. So for field, I'm just going to choose stage name, just click on it, followed by operator as equal. So for value, I'm just going to provide prospecting, so which is right over here. So guys, once if it is done, make sure that you have chosen every time a record is updated and meets the condition requirements right over here, followed by fast fill updates for optimize the flow for. So once if it is done, on the flow canvas, I'm just going to click on this plus symbol, which is add element next to start. So once if it is done, we are going to choose update records, which is right over here. Let's copy our label. So if you scroll down, you will find label name right over here. Copy this and paste it in label. So once if it is done, API name will be auto populated. And now let's set our condition, and make sure that you have chosen use the opportunity record that triggered the flow right over here. So if you scroll down, we need to choose and condition. So let's fill out all of these fields. So for this first field, I'm just going to enter first and choose this first contact made, followed by operator as equals. So for this value, I'm just going to provide true, and now click on add condition. So for second condition, I'm just going to search for additional. So once if you get this result, click on it, followed by operator as equal, and our value should be true. And if you scroll down, you will find the set value fields for opportunity record. So for this field, I'm just going to enter stage name followed by value as qualification. So once if you get the result, click on it. And now let's save this flow. Click on save. And if you go back to our challenge, you will find flow label right over here. Copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, let's copy our description, which is given right over here. Just copy and paste it over here. So once if it is done, click on save. Let's activate this flow as well. Just click on activate. So yeah guys, that's all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on verify step. So at this moment we are not testing the flow. Let's see whether if it is required or not. If it is not required, this should be well and good. So it says we need to test the flow as well. So let's test the flow. So let's go back, click on this back symbol, and now let's go to app launcher. So here we are just going to select sales, which is right over here. So once if it is done, let's go to our opportunities tab, click on it. So now if you click drop down next to recently viewed, all opportunities will be there. Just click on it. So here you will find this pyramid emergency generators. So once if you made a click on it, you will find this detail section right over here. Just click on it. And if you observe here under stage, it will be prospecting. So from here, if you scroll down, you will find this field which is first contact made. Just click on this pencil icon next to it. And here we are just going to enable this additional meeting schedule followed by first contact made. So just check these two checkbox. So once if it is done, click on save. So that's all about this testing. Now if you go back and click on verify step, it should pass. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed all of these challenges. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.